Hello and welcome to Tathagata YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the key answer for the PWD re-exam conducted by KPSC due to train delay which was conducted 2 weeks back. Today paper 1 re-exam key answer. First one, according to 11th schedule, which of the following are the responsibilities for the village panchayat? Here all the above is the right answer. Agriculture production, rural industrial development, women and child welfare and higher vocational education. All the functions will be provided are the responsibilities of the village panchayat. All the above is the right answer. I am discussing here question paper version code R. Second one, Cradle of Karnataka temple is found in Aihole. New Development Bank is established by BRICS nations. What is the when was the New Development Bank established? You comment below the year of the establishment. Fourth one, which one of the following is called as a mineral bowl of India? Chota Nagpur Plateau. Fifth one, which of the following is the new Indian ministry created in 2021? Indian ministry. It is a Ministry of Cooperation. Who is the minister? Amit Shah. Sixth one, who won the India's first gold medal in Tokyo Olympic? Neeraj Chopra. On which date? You comment below. According to descending order, which of the following states in India is the largest producer of the fish? Here, for the seventh one, option D is the right answer. But according to government website, first largest producer in these four states, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. First one is Gujarat, next Kerala, followed by Tamil Nadu, and last one is Karnataka in these four states. But this option is not given. So here either 4 or grace should be there. Next, 8th one, identify wildlife sanctuary present in Karnataka. Godvi Wildlife Sanctuary. In which district? You comment below. 9th one, India has the longest border line with which of the following neighboring countries? Bangladesh. Which of the following states has highest percentage of elected women representative in Panchayat Raj institution? Karnataka is the right answer. 11th one, aptitude question. Here correct answer is 40 km per hour. 12th one, which one of the following event is the botanical garden is never directly influenced by the light? 12th one, fertilization. Again 13th one, aptitude question. Here the right answer is option 4, 3 days required. Karnataka Land Army Corporation Limited was established as an undertaking by the government of Karnataka on which date? 9th August 1974. India is a republic because the head of the state is not a hereditary monarch. It is re-elected, so republic. 16th one, procedure established by the law under Article 21 of IPC. This question, Article 21 of Indian Constitution should be there. IPC is we can interpret as a wrong question. Here correct answer is American Bill of Rights. Which of the following article in Constitution is considered as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution? Article 32. Very simple and famous question. 18th one. The Parliament of India enacted untouchability offence of 1955 Act under which article? Article 17. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits employment of children in factories? Article 24. So, Article 24, 19th. Next, 20th question. State shall endeavour to provide early childhood care and education to all the children below age of 14 years. Here mistake 19th children, article 23 is the right answer. Twenty is 14 years. 21, in India the same person may be elected to office of president for any number of terms. How many elected representatives are there in Council of States? 22, 230 is the right answer. Sorry, 22nd, at present 233 are there, but total number of elected representative in the Council of State is 238 plus 12 nominated by the President, so total will be 250. At present 233 plus 12, 245. 23, residuary power of legislation under Article 248 of the Constitution of India is vested with Parliament. The power of municipalities cannot be exercised in respect to implement the schemes listed in 21st schedule. It is the wrong statement. 25th, maximum of 10% reservation of EWS, economically weaker section. Which amendment? 103rd Amendment Act. You comment below the number, what is the amendment bill for the 103rd Amendment Act. Anti-sterility vitamin is vitamin E. A system which can exchange neither matter nor energy with its surrounding is known as a isolated system. 28th, what is the major commercial source of thorium? Monazite. 29, radiophosphorus is used in the treatment of anemia. Blood related disorders are treated by radiophosphorus. 30th, the passenger sitting inside a stationary bus is thrown back when the driver suddenly starts the bus due to inertia of rest. This law governs according to which Newton's law? You comment below. Newton's first, second or third, which of the above is governed by which Newton's law? You comment in the comment section. 31, hot soup tastier than cold soup because surface tension of the hot soup is less than that of the cold soup. Option 1 is the right answer. The term liquid crystal refers to the state that is intermediate between it is a crystalline solid and amorphous liquid. 32, option 3 is the right answer. 33, musical sound of same pitch and intensity differ in their it is depends on all the above, so none of the above is the difference between them. The quality of sound is determined by both 1 and 2. Here again 35th aptitude question. Correct answer is option 3, 100. For number of students in room A is 100 and room B is 80. Here they asked room A, so correct answer is option 3, 100. 36, correct answer is option 1, 23. If you solve, you will get easily. 37, option 3, 384 km per hour. 38, 25 days. 39th, 20th Asian Games will be held at Nagoya, Japan. Nagoya, Japan. 20th Asian Games will be held in 2026, Nagoya, Japan. 19th, 2022. You comment below where it is held. Next, 40th, the winner of Wimbledon Grand Slam, Novak Djokovic. Nearly 6 to 7 questions are related to sports in this paper. When was the Fit India movement introduced in India? 29th August 2019. 42 aptitude question. Correct answer is 10. 43 again. Correct answer is 4%. Loss. 44, 35,000. 45, 800. 46, anticoagulant secreted by Hirudin. Option B2 is the right answer. 47, immersion effect related to photosynthesis. 47, option 4, increase in the photosynthesis when the light of two different wavelengths are provided together. 48, lifespan of human RBC is about 120 days. Wildlife Sanctuary Act was passed in 1972. Option 1. 50th, Khadar. Khadar is related to, it is a newer alluvial soil. 51, highest peak in Eastern Ghat is Mahendragiri. 52, which of the cyclone damaged in Karnataka in 2020-21? 52, C, Gulab cyclone. 53, Khasi tribe are inhabitant of Meghalaya. 54, Utkal plains include Mahendragiri, Odisha district. Odisha border is known as a Utkal district. 55th, which union ministry has launched the PRAN portal? Ministry of Environment and Forest Climate Change. PRAN is related to air pollution measure taken by the government of India. You comment below the long form of full form of PRAN. Prana. 56, net irrigated land in India is, according to government website, it is around 48%, but here option not given, so we will consider it as a 39.9 or grace. 57. In market economy, price is determined by demand and supply. SWOC or SWOT, SWOT analysis or SWOC analysis explains strength, weakness, opportunities and challenges. Option 4. 15th Finance Commission has suggested shifting of which of the following state subject to a concurrent list? It is health subject presently at state list. 60th, recently Connected Commerce creating a roadmap for a digitally inclusive Bharat was released by Niti Aayog. Option 2, Niti Aayog is the right answer. 61. Which state is the highest producer of tur or pigeon pea in India? Karnataka. Which tax is present yields the largest revenue to the government of India? Corporate income tax. 63. Multidimensional poverty index consists of 3 dimensions. It is released by, you comment below. Bank rate policy. These questions are important not only for the who wrote this exam but also for upcoming exam conducted by KPSC or even PSI. Very important questions these are, and you can also see the trend of the question which they are asking. 64. Bank rate policy is the which method of credit control? It is a quantitative method. 64A, option 1 is the right answer. We classify the sector as a public and a private on the basis of ownership of the enterprises. Recently, Mount Sinabang volcano erupted. It is located in Indonesia. Overdraft facility is a temporary loan given to which type of bank account? Current account, savings account, both. Option 3, both 1 and 2. Name the only 2 sports personalities who have won the back-to-back Olympic medal for India at 2 consecutive Olympics. Sushil Kumar and PV Sindhu. Which city shall host the 2024 Olympic? Los Angeles. 2020 by Tokyo Olympic. 2024 Los Angeles. 2026 Australia. Which city? You comment below. Famously known as Gabba. 70. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna prestigious sports award was rechristened by the Honorable Prime Minister as a Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. 71. Which sports Neeraj Chopra is related to? Javelin throw. Neeraj Chopra, 2 questions. Which bank has recently announced a residential builder finance with buyer guarantee scheme? State Bank of India, SBI. Consider the following statement. Here statement 1 is the wrong. Statement 2, UNICEF is wrong. So neither A nor B. Fourth option is correct answer. Prime Minister recently launched 10,000 FPOs all over the country. What FPO stands for? Farmer Produce Organization. 74. Option 2 is the right answer. Zero defect, zero effect slogan related to which of the following scheme? Make in India. It is for MSME sector under Make in India scheme. Areas where the beverage crop tea is growing in Karnataka are 76. Hassan, Kodagu, Shivamogga and Chikmagalur, not Chamarajanagar. 77. What is the name of the scheme recently launched by Indian government with an aim to promote digital education? PM E-Vidya, launched by Ministry of Education. According to 2021-22 budget, how much amount is allocated to COVID vaccine? 35,000 crore. 79. Which of the following is the flow concept in the economy? Income or expenditure is called as a flow concept in economy. 80th question. Refrigerator operating in the chemist shop is an example of option 4 producer's good. Smart money is term used for credit cards. Red drop is a drop in photosynthesis yield. Option 4 is the right answer. 83. Under the influence of which Buddhist monk Ashoka became a supporter of Buddhism? Upagupta, Saint Upagupta. Option 4 is the right answer. Battle of 10 Kings on the bank of which river? Ravi River. What is the old name of Ravi River? You comment below. 85. Writer and books match the following: Jayadeva Gita Govindam, Bhanabhatta Harsha Charita, Bilhana Vikramanka Deva Charita, Somadeva Katha Sarangani. Katha Sarigara. So correct option below is 85. Option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. 85. Option 2 is the right answer. 86. Select the chronological order of the backward class commission. 86. Option 4 is the right answer. Staple crop of Indus Valley people are wheat and barley. 88th. Amit Ragara or slayer of foes referred in Greek sources is Bindusara. Diwane Koi was created by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Famous Vaishnava saint who went to the court of Krishna Devaraya was Vallabhacharya. 91. Match the following question: Mughal emperor and their mausoleum. Here correct answer is Akbar Agra, Sher Shah Suri Sasaram Bihar, Humayun Delhi, Shah Jahan Sikandarabad. So according to that, 91 option A is the right answer. 91 option A is the right answer. 91 option A is the right answer. Next, 92. Moroccan traveler who visited India during the Muhammad bin Tughlaq was Ibn Battuta. Peasant revolt of Mysore took place in the year 1830 to 1831. 94. The concept of cantonment area was brought by British Lord Curzon. 95. The military manual which is dictated by Tipu Sultan was named as Fatullah Mujahideen. Option 2 is the right answer. All men are my children finds in the mention of Kalinga Edict. Separate rock edict, Kalinga Edict. The Sun Temple of Konark was constructed by Narasimha Deva I. 98. Deities worshipped by Satavahanas were option 2 Shiva and Vishnu. 99. One of the earliest Sanskrit poet of Kadamba's period was Kubja Kavi. Kubja. Option 3. First Sanskrit inscription found in Karnataka was simple Talgunda inscription. You share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.